This is the Coach Patricia's Legacy bag, style number 9951. And it is, as you can see, in the color black with nickel hardware. And as you can also see, this bag still has the original price tag attached, so it looks like it was never used. It says the style number here and Patricia's Legacy bag. And this bag was made actually in China in the year 2007, as far as I can tell, so it's actually not considered vintage, but I believe it was based off of the vintage Patricia's Legacy, like as a remake, so it's still a really nice bag modeled after a vintage style. So anyway, I'll go ahead and show you the bag now. So it is a crossbody bag. It has a crossbody strap, and you can adjust the length of the strap here. It has these different little buckle holes that you could adjust the size or the length of the strap. And then here's the front of the bag. As you can see, it's got a flap closure. And then here's what the side looks like. And then here's the back of the bag. And this one does not have a back pocket, it's just a straight across seam. And then I'll go ahead and show you, it does have a zip closure on the inside of the bag. And it also comes with the dust bag, which is nice. And it also has a little zip pocket here in the back. You could store some stuff in there that you want to keep separated in your bag. And then of course it also has the Coach Creed. So I'll also insert a close-up photo so you can see that the bag is in fact authentic. So that's the Patricia's Legacy bag, and since this one isn't vintage yet, we can't really post it on Etsy, so I'll just leave the eBay link below if you wanted to check it out there. We do domestic and international shipping on eBay. But yeah, that's the bag. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.